What is up, guys? Welcome back to my EDC Essentials channel. I know I've been gone for a minute. Life hits. So anyway, we're back with some new things that I want to discuss today. First off, everyone knows what those signs are. Tier 1 concealed box. I'm not gonna do an unboxing because there's 4,000 videos out there, but just wanted to show you this real quick. Comes with a bag, nice bag, with some cool straps, very cool. And I also wanted to talk about this box here that everyone knows about, which is the Brinyte PT28 Oathkeeper. That I had for, I want to say 6 months, 7 months. Right? And this package, what this package is all about. All right, so let's get into it. First off, I've had some upgrades to my EDC items that I wanted to share with you guys. Obviously, you know, it's going to be Tier 1, so I was very hesitant and skeptical about all these videos that were going out with carrying appendix. I'm a 9 o'clock carry, have been for 9 years, as you guys know from my previous videos. But I said, you know what, I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and just go ahead and see what all the blah is about. So I took that jump, and I have been carrying the Tier 1 Concealed Axis Elite for, I wanna say 2 months, 2.5 months, and it is incredible. Obviously I had to do some tweaks to it to conform to my physique, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did and what I carry now. Right? So let's get into it. As you can see, my first standout option for me is concealing, which to me, I'm not a big chested guy, but look how it conceals. Incredible, incredible. That's all I gotta say for Tier 1. They are Tier 1. I pull my shirt back, and obviously you're gonna see the printing, but I gotta pull my shirt back in order for you to see that. The butt of the gun there, okay, and then the mag there. But on a normal, this is what it looks like. No printing. Okay, not a pretty big guy, but guy at all. Kind of skinny, to tell you the truth, but 157, soaking wet. Okay, so what I'm carrying here, my rear pocket is my 3530 F & Grove. Love this knife. This knife is ridiculously sharp. I love it. I've oiled it probably once since I've had it. I probably had it for, I want to say, almost a year now. So this is an incredible knife. Use it for, you know, unboxing stuff. My wallet, back pocket, Coach. It's normal. The belt that I have is the tack belt with the clips here. This is an awesome, awesome belt. I've had this for 9 years. And what I'm carrying here is the Coyote Brown Axis Elite Holster with the sidecar mag. And I have a Glock 19 that I had the slides sent out to Dynamic Weapon Solutions to do the slide cut for a 507C X2. Phenomenal red dot. Love this red dot. And the slide, Dynamic Weapon Solutions did an incredible job. Give me 1 second, let me just clear this out. All clear. Gun is empty and safe. And then I have the Magpul Magwell, which is incredible. I love this. And what I added on here was inner tube tire, which they call in the military field a Rangerbands. So I have a Ranger band, I have a piece of inner tube there, and then I just cut little strips out to make the handle a little bit thicker so I can grab it nicer. It feels nice and full in my hand. I have the 507 with the wow, I'm drawing a blank, but you guys know, the solar panel on top and the red dot. Let me see if I can get the red dot in there so you guys can see that. Let's see if I can get it. There it is. It's not going to be too clear, but there it is. Nice. It's a 2 MOA with a 32 MOA circle around it. So you can obviously have the option of going 2 MOA only, or the 32 MOA, or both together, which is how I run it. And a little story behind that. I had posted up how to install it, or showing you guys how I installed it. I installed it, took it to the range probably like 2 days later, shot probably like 200 rounds through it, and it loosened up. So I got really upset, and I thought that maybe one of the screws broke, but it didn't. It just came loose. I had to just retighten it down harder. And since then, it's been working fantastic. I zeroed it in at 7 yards, at 15, and I did it again at 20 yards. So this dot is amazing. I love the shake awake on this. It's phenomenal. And then I have the extra mag with the +2 extension, and I have, this is a 17 round mag, so +2, 19 rounds in there. And then the incredible Tier 1 Concealed Axis Elite with 4 stacks. I'm running 4 stacks on this one, which obviously this helps because this pushes the butt of the gun into your body. I love that this adjusts to your body. Very comfortable. And then I had to go ahead and make a wedge on the back. As you can see, I made a homemade wedge out of yoga bar, and it's really, really comfortable. Without this, it was printing a little bit on the handle, even with, sorry, my dog. Even with the, without this, it was printing, the handle was printing. Too much for my comfort level. So I made this, and it's worked incredible. It's comfortable, and yeah, only positive things to say about the Axis Elite. And then these ridges here push the mag into you so that it doesn't print, just like the wing here for the butt of the gun. Okay, let's put that back. I had to learn how to put this on, because this isn't just a quick throw on here, but you become comfortable and accustomed to just putting it on quicker as the days go by. Look at that. That's it. Boom. There it is. Disappears. Disappears. Other pocket, I have my PT28 Oathkeeper, 1600 lumens, strobe. I love this. With the switchback. It's comfortable. It's not too heavy. It's not too bulky in the pants. Tucks away nicely. And then you have those 1600 lumens if you need them. Very comfortable.
We got disconnected. No, but they went to the water park, and he said it was beautiful. It's one of the Disney water parks, and then they stayed with their friends at the Disney resort. He goes, Mom, these Disney resorts are ridiculous. They're beautiful. I said, yeah, but they're really expensive. They are. Well, because they're young and they don't have the responsibilities that we have. So their friends, Christina's best friend and her boyfriend, they have season annual passes. So when you have annual passes, you get discounts to all the hotels. Yeah, because I called you. Yeah, no.
Then these are Dickies pants. These pants are really comfortable, and I like it because it has a pocket here for the side, where I also carry my Recon medical tourniquet with me all the time. Always. Already set. Ready to be deployed if needed. Hopefully I don't need it, but I have it there if and when I do. And that's that. So what I want to talk to you also about is the PT28. So I want to say 3 weeks ago, I was taking some pictures of my holster, and when I went to turn it on, it didn't turn on. Give me 1 second. I have it right in here. I thought that I had it over there, but I didn't. So let me take this out. went to turn it on and it didn't turn on. And the battery was charged, everything was charged. The light came on and everything, and it just didn't want to turn on. And I was like, okay, what's going on? I haven't even had this for a year. Okay, so you can see I have that one, and I have this one here. So I reached out to Brinyte, and what they did was they told me to send them a video of the issue, showing them that the light was green, but that I don't know, I'm guessing it was probably the clicker in the back that didn't function anymore. So I sent them a video on that, and then they reached back to me through email saying, okay, what we're gonna do is, instead of you sending your light so that we can check and see what the problem is, we're just sending you a new one. So, and that's what they did. So I wanna thank Brinyte for hooking me up with a new light. Cindy over there at Brinyte was the one that was in contact with me throughout this ordeal. So they just sent me, they didn't send me a brand new box with everything. It was just the case, I mean the shell, the light itself. So I was hoping that they would send me another battery and everything, but you know, unfortunately, but it is what it is. I got it working. I got a brand new one, and it's working perfectly, as you can see. So I want to thank Cindy for that at Brinyte. So they took really good care of me, and they responded within a matter of hours, actually, to my email that I sent them. So all I had to do was wait probably like 2 weeks because it came from China, and yeah, that was it. They just sent it to me and hooked me up, so I was able to continue with my EDC. The other thing that I wanted to talk to you about was, this is unloaded, guys. I'm sitting down on a table, so you guys can see. Let me lower this. My other thing was if this holster was going to be comfortable enough for me. Let me see if I can tilt this forward so that you guys can see what I'm sitting on. It's really comfortable so that you guys can see. Doesn't bother me at all. It's really, really comfortable, and I am so happy that I purchased this. I know there's a lot of holster manufacturers out there, so it was either between, to tell you the truth, this one or the T-Rex arms. I'm sorry, the T-Rex arms sidecar, the 2.0. But I went with this one because this one, to me, I felt it had more adjustability to it, and with the wing and with the stacks, if need be, you can bring them down or bring them up. But yeah, I'm happy with my purchase. So anyway, oh, give me 1 second. Okay, so this is my Glock 34 Gen 3. I just wanted to show you guys something. I'm gonna make this clear, okay? Gun is clear, empty, and safe. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys something really quick. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this out, put this down. And my Glock 34, listen, perfect, like a glove. Obviously, I'm gonna print because of the competition magwell that I have on. As you can see it right there. the ice magwell, but I can stick my 34 in this holster as well. Listen, beautiful, love it. Let me see, sitting down, see, it's comfortable. I mean, I can feel obviously the nose because it's longer, but still, it's comfortable. Look at that, incredible. Let me raise this a little bit. But it's comfortable. And look, even with the magwell, look how it pushes into my body. With that, because of the wings, on the wing on the Axis Elite. I could probably pull it off. Right? That. Crazy. So this is my Glock 34. I also have some inner tube or Rangerbands, as they call it, on here for a nicer grip. I don't want to go ahead and mess up my handle by stippling. I'm not into that stippling. I really don't like stippling. I like the natural, but I like the grippy rubber feeling that I get with the Rangerbands. I don't know, I just like it better. And get a nice high tang on there. So, but yeah. So, yes. So comfortable. I'm so happy with this purchase. Feels incredible. Went on a 4-hour drive to Orlando, and I had it on the whole time, and it didn't bother me at all. At all. And with that wedge, it was so comfortable. So I'm so happy with my purchase. Anyway, just wanted to bring you guys up to speed on my my new stuff, my upgrades. Okay, so that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, take care.